Well, boys, leaving auto parts machine shop here. Oh, she's ready, boys. She's ready. Just stuff in the muff. Probably have to put the seats down.
Walking into that.
I don't care who's walking into that place. There's a girl walking into there, but it's okay.
He said stuff in her.
Stuff in her muff. Woo! Alright guys, so we're in a super stupid time crunch here, but we got the new block back from the machinies. Obviously. New pistons, everything. New crank, new rings, new titties, new bitties. Here's the old titty McGitty. Just transferring all the sensors and shit over, cleaning them up.
Wasn't me. I
don't know who it was either. Oil pump. New.
Just slide him.
Throw that pumper dumper on there, the water pump, and then the fucking heads, boys. After a beer.
She's pretty. It's like a baby.
I almost pulled a Hemi.
I pulled a Hemi, boys. It should do. It's good torques.
Alright, so after we finished that, we got the heads all on. I went ahead and went with the Killer B oil pickup. I am going to be doing the Killer B oil pan and baffle as well. I just did not have the funds to get that in right here. I got the oil pan back on. And we went ahead and put on all of the pulleys, the tensioner, and now we're going to go ahead and put on the ever so beautiful gold IAG TGV deletes.